All right, it's Tuesday, August 5th. I'm buying some SPY 630 puts here at 304. And this is on the breakdown on bar number 3 on the 15-minute chart. Obviously, we were pretty neutral here for the first two bars, and then I'm watching this bar break through kind of to the close of yesterday. The tricky thing here is we're just, above the midpoint of the prior day, and this is going to have to be a two-up failure day for this to work out. But I think there's a chance of that given the fact that it's a weekly red bar from last week. We're just inside of that this week, so I don't at the moment, even though we started green for the first day and a few hours today, we're only at the midpoint of that bar, so it's kind of a potential bar that could hold in here and eventually test those lows, given it was a red week, although it was a 3 bar, so it was like higher highs, lower lows, so we might just be getting an inside week this week, and then the actual signal comes in next week. But anyway, you can see here we came up yesterday and filled in this gap. We took out the high of the day as expected after a green bar. We're in a choppy area that has higher highs and lower lows down there, and we're starting off weak. So I just want to see, just given that context of the inside week with the red, potential test of these lower lows, was this just a one day rally in the open today, and maybe we start the failure. For that to be confirmed, we got to get through the midpoint of the prior day, somewhere around here, and see if we follow through. So it's possible that we're not going to follow through, but I'm willing to take a chance on it, just given the choppy nature of some of the stocks I'm watching that really aren't moving up strong, and then the fact that this was sold off pretty strong here at the open. So let's see if it continues a little lower. I know it has to happen. If this becomes a red bar for the close, then it could be a very nice sell signal going into the Wednesday, Thursday, Friday type of thing. But we'll find out. I'm going to take a chance that this is the start of that possibly, and I'm just going to watch 15-minute price action and see if we can hold the midpoint of that first bar. And I just want to see confirmation and continuation lower for it to work out.